Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share with you a very amazing experience of a recent project which I just finished. As a designer, I often encounter challenging briefs that push the boundaries of creativity. Recently, I was tasked with creating a top-down view of a car that would appear three-dimensional. The most daunting part was the intricate detailing, a colorful sticker design, and a realistic paint job. The initial hurdle was to accurately represent the car's form in a 2D format. To achieve a 3D illusion, I had to carefully consider the perspective, shading, and the interplay of light and shadow. Every line and curve had to be meticulously drawn to convey depth and dimension. One of the fundamental techniques I employed was the use of linear perspective. By carefully drawing converging lines, I created a sense of depth and distance. The vanishing point, the point at which all lines converge, was strategically placed to guide the viewer's eye and emphasize the car's three-dimensional form. Shading and lighting are essential elements in creating a realistic 3D illusion. By carefully applying shadows and highlights, I was able to define the form of the car and suggest its volume. I used a combination of techniques such as hatching, cross-hatching, and stippling to create subtle variations in tone and texture. The direction and intensity of the light source also played a crucial role. I chose a soft, diffused light that would cast gentle shadows and create a sense of atmosphere. By experimenting with different lighting angles, I was able to highlight specific features of the car and create a dynamic composition. The most challenging aspect of this project was the intricate detailing of the car, particularly the colorful sticker design and the realistic paint job. The sticker design required a delicate balance between vibrancy and subtlety. I had to ensure that the colors were bright and eye-catching, but not overpowering. To achieve this, I used a limited color palette and varied the saturation and brightness of each color. I also paid close attention to the placement of the stickers. Each sticker had to be positioned carefully to enhance the overall design and avoid cluttering the image. By creating subtle shadows and reflections, I was able to give the stickers a three-dimensional appearance. The paint job was equally challenging. I aimed for a realistic finish that would complement the sticker design. The paint had to appear glossy and reflective, with subtle variations in tone and texture. To achieve this, I used a variety of techniques, including airbrushing and digital painting. I also experimented with different blending modes and layer effects to create a sense of depth and realism. Once the basic form, shading, and detailing were complete, I added the final touches to the illustration. These included the addition of a background, a subtle vignette effect, and a final color correction. The background was kept simple with a soft gradient that faded into a neutral color. This allowed the car to remain the focal point of the image. The vignette effect was used to draw the viewer's eye towards the center of the image. This technique involves darkening the edges of the image, creating a sense of depth and focus. Finally, I made some minor adjustments to the color balance and contrast to ensure that the image looked its best. After nearly 4 hours of intense focus and experimentation, I was finally able to complete the illustration. The client was thrilled with the result, and I was immensely proud of what I had achieved. This project was a testament to the power of digital art and the dedication of designers to bring their visions to life. By combining technical skill with artistic creativity, I was able to create a visually stunning and highly realistic illustration of a car.